This is the new Apple iPhone Fold. Stick around because we're going deep. How it works, why Apple finally did foldables, and whether it's actually worth the price. Years of Samsung experimenting. Clamshells, book style, Z Flip, Z Fold, and Apple finally decided 2026 is the year to jump in. They choose the book style. Probably smart, because now they claim the crease is gone, totally invisible. And yes, it's that Apple magic. Liquid metal hinge, pressure displacing metal plate, supposedly durable enough to survive the small child throwing it around. Closed. It's a standard looking iPhone, 5.5 inches, 9mm thick. Opened, bam, 7.8-inch iPad-like display, 4.5mm thin when unfolded, pretty insane. Cameras, 4 in total, 1 outside, 2 on the rear, 1 inside. No Face ID. When it comes to colors, black and white. Price, somewhere between $2,100 and $2,500. And yes, Apple is basically testing how much we will pay for the Apple logo. Let's talk about the main gripe with foldables. The visible crease down the center. Apple claims to have solved it, using metal plates plus liquid metal hinge. They're promising no crease even from the weird angles. For some of us, the crease is a reminder that we maybe don't need foldables at all, but removing it, huge step forward. Using it like a regular iPhone is totally fine. Opened, you basically got a mini tablet. I personally like smaller phones, but hey, if that's something you like, go for it. Connectivity. Apple's second gen C2 modem, fast and efficient. Battery life, surprisingly decent for the foldables, thanks to efficient internals. Screen protectors are absolutely needed. Apple screens are still fragile. Basically, Apple made it foldable, but you still need the case to survive your daily life. Fold is the ultra premium device, and Apple is testing limits, charging the ultra price. But for Apple fans, $2,000 to $2,500 is basically cheap for this phone. And if you wanna see leaks about the iPhone 18, check this video. Thank you for watching, like and share if you want.